Hey besties, welcome to the night before Maddie goes on a trip. Well, actually it's not the night before. 2 nights before Maddie goes on an overseas trip. And I'm packing. And technically I am packing at the last minute. But technically I could still pack tomorrow. I've left it till tomorrow and that would be packing like really last minute. So, basically, for those who don't know, I'm going to New Zealand. Woo! So exciting! It's winter in New Zealand. So we're hoping to go skiing because there's really good skiing there. So I have to pack a bunch of ski gear. And ski gear takes up a lot of fucking room. And I'm going on this trip without my mum. So I don't have help from her. And I'm gonna struggle. No, I'll be fine. I mean, maybe not. We'll see. Look at the room in my, look at the, that's the ski jacket. That's the ski pants. My shoes, my underwear. I'm going for 2 weeks, mind you. 2 fucking weeks. So I need a lot of clothes. And I need going out outfits because I'm going over to like see my friend, right? Me and my friend, we do crazy things. That's for my, oh, shit, I have snow boots. Do you know where the snow boots are currently? They're in my fucking car. Along with my bumper jacket. I'm doing great, guys. I'm doing well. I think we need to take a trip to my car to get the boots because I need to pack the boots. And that's like, fuck. We're going on a trip. Our favorite rocket ship. Can you tell that I'm like sleep deprived? Have worked with kids for 10 hours today. You know, can you tell? Can you tell? Anyways, this is my little adventure to get my snow boots. Ah. Ooh. Okay. Brown snow boots acquired. There's other stuff in here that I'm probably. Okay. We'll deal with the puffer stitch tomorrow because I just want to wear the puffer. So I think that's what I need. Ah, the tree! Okay, guys. Fun facts, my mum is actually going on a trip. She's going to visit my grandparents. Different trip, but she's going on a trip. Anyways, these are my little warm, like, snow boots to wear to the snow. And I have to try and fit them. Well, fuck my original plan. So frustrated. Hello to my loneliness. I guess that ignorance is bliss. Take me back to before the new. Rewind, take it out of cue. Fuck. I don't know what I'm doing. Fuck. Alright, this definitely seems to be the I feel like I need like a squish place. Fuck me. Let me try and sort myself out. I sorted myself out, guys. I made a little squish room. Not that you can see. Also, time check. 10 p.m. What time did I go to bed last night? 12:30. What time did I get up this morning? 7 a.m. That's actually not that bad. I don't think if I fold it and then actually, hang on. I could sleep like this. This is a real possibility. I needed like a vacuum seal thing. Yeah, don't. Come on, done. For the love of God, come on, done. Do I have water left? Of course I need the water. I don't have water. I shouldn't joke about that. Alright, anyways, I need a break. No, actually, I need a break. I'm gonna pack my toiletries and my makeup. Guys, I got water. I'm thinking I might buy toothpaste over there because my toothpaste here is almost out. And quite frankly, I'm just too lazy to go get it because the rest of my toiletries are all packed still from Hawaii, except for my toothpaste. Also, Ignore the bag of Eden Doritos. I am that shit anyways. I also do have these two toothpastes chilling in my room. Maybe I should pack one of those. Guys, I'm using the Victoria's Secret bag that I got in Hawaii. The lighting is gonna be so shit in the video. Also, the inside's already dirty, but anyways. Time to pack.
I like to be educated, but I'm so frustrated. Hello to my loneliness.
Alright, welcome to What Skincare is Maddie Bringing? Woo! First of all, some makeup remover. Slay. You know, I didn't take any makeup wipes to Hawaii, and then I had to buy some. And do you know how hard they fucking were to find? Anyways, then I'm bringing my Laneige travel kit, which has a cleanser, a serum, a moisturizer, a night mask, and a lip mask. Will I be doing my skincare over there? I don't actually fucking know. Probably, because I'll be wearing a lot of fucking makeup to cover up how red my face will be. And if you can't already tell, I'm already starting to break out from this constant bullshit that I've been doing. Actually, I'm getting on of it. Anyways, sunscreen, because you can never be too safe. The snow burns you a lot, dolls. And eye cream, because I'm old. It's actually just because I'm so surprised. Anyways, that's all skincare I'm bringing. Guys, I'm actually really proud of myself. It all has fit in this little Victoria's Secret bag. Makeup, skincare. Beautiful. Beautiful. Last time to Hawaii, I took a bag for, like, hygiene. Different bag for skincare / hair care. And a makeup bag. That's ridiculous. I've got it down to 2 now. Makeup, skincare, toiletry, hygiene stuff. This is actually, like, a sad bag. So, this is, like, the hygiene shit. A deodorant, which I actually need to put another deodorant in here. Some flossy shit. The 15th amount of mouthwash I have left. A toothbrush. More floss. And I need another deodorant, and I also need toothpaste. So maybe... Oh, and a perfume. You bitch gotta smell good. I'm gonna take this vanilla one. And she is locked in like... Wait, let me just check she smells good. Yeah, she's an okay scent. Alright, guys. Sorted. Also, look how nice this jacket is. I saw it on Pinterest, and then it was in the shops for 50% off, and I was like, it's a sign. Anyways, I'm losing it. Like, whoa, there's too much shit. What is going on? Oh, the fucking cockles. Okay. The time check. It's 10:46. I'm losing my mind. I've wrestled with the fucking... I'm just done. I have no clothes, guys. I did the goofy thing. It's like before I'm going away, I may or may not have gone through my whole entire wardrobe and just decided I don't like any of the clothes. So I threw them all out. I have a going out dress, guys. Will you call me crazy? Yeah. Is it the one I bought in Hawaii? Yeah. I'm not actually. I'm sad. I'm excited. But I'm not nervous, and I'm not going to explain why I'm sad about this trip. Maybe in the future, in the very, very far off future. Guys, I would say I'm done, but I'm not. I don't have socks packed, but we're getting there almost. Okay, guys, what am I up to, you ask? I don't fucking know. Oh, suitcase is there. Packed. Don't look at my room. You girls. Ugh, don't talk to me. Okay, please. For love of laptops, be charged so I can take pictures. Please, I watched way too many. Come on, please. It's gonna be on like 5%. I just can feel it in my balls. It's not. Oh my god. Okay. Join me on this epic quest. Shit, hold on. Alright, I'm back. I'm going through travel insurance direct. Guys, don't ever do this. This is like the dumbest thing.
How much I miss not knowing that we're all screwed.
Done, guys, I did it. Don't ask me why I'm doing it like so close to. If anyone wondering, it cost us $212.81 for this insurance. Okay, guys, so I've just written all my flight details on this sticky note to stick on the insurance I printed off for my mom and my dad, and then I have an insurance printed off for me and Riley. Oh, sorry, you're not supposed to see anything. I'm walking in the dark. I actually don't know where I'm going. It's very dark. Okay. There you go. Because, you know, leave a copy for your mum. I'm just trying to make bed. My mum's gonna be mad if she sees what day I did this next. I'll tell you what date it was issued. Anyways, guys, it is like 11:45 probably. I need to go to bed. Okay, I gotta get up at I'm gonna get up at 8 tomorrow. I'm having myself a little sleep in. I'm gonna get up at 8 and do all my bullshit and shit online. I don't know if I will see you in this video, like if it'll cut to that or if it's a different video, but if it's a different video, I love y'all. Bye.